Hello, amazing learners and great minds. You're welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we're going to be discussing addition of fraction with the same denominator. Addition of fraction with the same denominator. In our previous lesson, we have discussed the concept of fraction, and we say that fraction has two parts, the numerator and the denominator. The top number, the number on top is the numerator, while the number down is the denominator. So today, how are we going to add fractions with the same denominator? Don't worry, after this lesson, we're going to add fraction with the same denominator with ease. Come on, let's get started. 1/5 plus 2/5. These are fractions with the same denominator. 1/5, 2/5. You can see they have the same denominator, and the denominator is 5. What do we do? Very, very simple. Just add the numerator. Add the numerator and leave the denominator the same. Add the numerator and leave the denominator what? Good. You leave the denominator the same. So what I should do is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 all over 5. 1 plus 2, that is the numerator. 1 plus 2 is 3. So our final answer becomes 3/5. You can see it's very, very simple. Just add the numerator, leave the denominator the same. Once the fraction involves the same denominator, you don't have to touch the denominator, only the numerator. Let us do more examples. 3/10 plus 4/10. Can you identify the denominator? What is the denominator here? Good. The denominator here is 10. So what do? You simply add what? Correct. You add the numerator 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 gives you what? 7. And the final answer becomes 7/10. So our final answer is 7/10. So in today's video, you have discovered that adding fraction with the same denominator is as easy as ABC. As easy as ABC. Anytime you see something like this, do not touch the denominator, only the numerator. In our next class, we are going to discuss how to add fraction with different denominators. It's going to be simple also. So don't go away. Meanwhile, have you subscribed to my channel? If you have watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button, click on it, and like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. That will make others to discover this video, and know what? It's a great motivation for me. And if you have done that, thank you. Alright, take this as your assignment. Do this and put the answer in the comment section. 5/16 plus 3/16. 5/16 plus 3/16. Solve this, put the answer in the comment section. Yes, I want to see how far you've understood this topic. Yes. Alright, I've watched this video. Thank you for watching. On this channel, I upload content relevant to learners, teachers, and parents. And do not go away. We'll always take you to this channel because it's going to be juicy by the day. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.